You gotta be kidding me, dude. That was freaking awesome. I hope I got that. Almost dark. Hit it like right next to the boat, like a foot away. That was pretty cool. All right, bud.
Thanks for watching Bassman Strikes Kayak Fishing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe and like buttons. If you'd like to be notified of new content, click the bell button. If you have any questions about lures, equipment, etc., please leave a comment. Also, be sure to check out our Facebook page and join our group Black Bass Central. Links will be in the description. We'll see you next time.